Hello, welcome back guys, it's your boy Seif here, and today we have a researcher. This is an entire workflow to create like ebooks with images and or with 50 or 40 pages, or even if you like are a student and you want to research a specific topic, you can actually use this one also. It will be less than 5 minutes. You will get your ebook ready, you can get it and sell it. And if you are a student, you can do the research and you can do a lot of it. Well, without further ado, let's get started. So now what we have here, this big workflow, and we have others sub workflows. Let me show you. So we have chapter 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. I will explain it for you right now. So what we have here is the first one is the form submission. Okay, so the form submission is only require the topic itself to search the topic, and the other one is the email. Let's start. Let me show you. Okay, so we have here the email, we have the search topic. Let's say, for example, that we are searching for what? I like this book, The Richest. Okay, and I'll just put my email and I will hit submit. Okay, so now while it's loading, let me explain for you what does it do. Okay, so it's already took the form, took the topic, and then took the email. Then it does here the plan topic. What is the plan topic? Well, first, the prompt user, we take it from the topic search. So we take this one, okay, and we put it here. This is the search topic. Okay, there is a problem, we will check it. Okay, so this is the prompt user. Always you need to do the search topic. It will tell the agent that this is our search topic. Now we have our system message. System message, well, it's explained for the plan topic agent itself that you are a researcher assistant AI designed to generate 5 highly relevant and in-depth search topic. So it's just explain for the agent what it will do, what is the examples like this one, and what the output will be. Okay, so it's like a breakdown of what the agent will start. Okay, this is the plan topic, and this is let me show you. This is the output parser. Output parser, why we put this one? Because we need the output to be in JSON and also to be in a specific format. Specific format how? Like I said, we have chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, 4, 5. So we have the topic 1 and the topic 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So we need it in details because at the end I will show you how it will look like. So that's why we need it like organized, because we will create a topic 1, we'll create a source 1, and then we will create a subject 1. So the plan topic is just explain to the AI what we are going to do. Okay, and the second thing here we have the intro. The intro, it's explaining the actual style itself, like we have at the top we have the title itself, then we have like if we will put the source link, or if we put the source links at the bottom, then we will have like chapter 1 saying something, chapter 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the background, is it like black, white, if there are images, like it just explains how it would look like. This is already the prompt user. The prompt user, we are putting the 3 topics that we already got from the plan topic agent with the output parser that we already did. Okay, and this is the search topic. Of course, we'll get it from on form submission. Then we have the system message. System message, it's saying here, you are an AI specializing in creating the foundational okay, foundational structure for the engaging digital. Okay, so what does it do here? That it's technically just creating the style, the layout, the background, the primary text design. Like this is just responsible for the design itself, like how it's look like. We have chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, how it's look like, and you can change that easily by like taking all this and just like paste it into ChatGPT or even Gemini and just tweak it a little bit. Okay. So this is the intro. The intro, we can say it's the style, and also we need here the output parser. Output parser, like I said, we need the title, introduction, then the 5 chapters. So the output parser is just saying that how we want our output to be. Okay. And now we have here send intro. Well, this is sending to Google Sheets. So we need actually to send all the data that we do to Google Sheets. Like we have here search topic, the title, the introduction, the 5 chapters. Okay, we don't need those. I will show you later what about those. The 5 chapters, everything. So this is very important because we will use it later. We already created the intro, then we send this intro to the Google Sheets because we will need it here, and I'll tell you why. Now here, let's go back just to the plan topic agent. So we have here 2 others. So we have here set topics. So set topics. So it's showing here. It's only in one output. See, like I did this. It's only in one output, but we need it like this. We need it like this, like topic 1, topic 2, topic 3. So it's basically it's just taking the plan topic output and just put it in arrays. That's basically what does it do. This is a set node. In order to get the set node, you will just hit set. The things, I'm just going a little bit really quick here because you see it's a really long one and we still have 5 chapters to cover. We still have 5 other workflows to cover. But of course, if you need it in details, you can find it in my Skool community, or you can just leave a comment down below. Now we have here the split out. So the split out, it's saying that we already make it in arrays. Then we need every array separate. So we have here 1 item. Then we have here 5 items. And that's exactly what we need. We need the 5 items because we will like move every item separate like we are doing here. Okay. Now we have the merge. Yeah, I'll forget this one. This is also the split out. So this is the topic 1, the actual topic itself. So this is saying topic 1. So it's the name itself. So the actual name, like topic 1, and this is the actual topic itself, like historical and cultural context of Babylon in ancient times. So this is the actual context itself. Okay. So we have here the title and we have here the context. Then we take both of them, then merge it, and then we need also to merge the intro. So we are merging both of them here, like this. See, now topic 1, this is the output. Topic 2, this is the output. And of course, we need combine position 2. Like I said, we will explain it in details. And also we have the intro. Then we are doing the merge here. So the merge, let me show you why we are doing the merge here. Because we need topic 1, the output for the topic 1, and the introduction for the topic 1, and then the title. Then we have the chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. Then we have topic 2, and then we have topic 3. So because it's a really large ebook, so yeah, it's required a lot of things. Then we have here the switch node. Why there is a switch node here? Because we will take each topic like this. We'll take topic 1, topic 2, topic 3, and we will parser each topic, or I'm sorry, move each topic to a specific chapter. Okay, let's just see what's the error here. Does not exist. Let's see. This is chapter 1. Well, it's already there. Okay, let's try it again. Unauthorized. Please check your credential or API key. Okay, that's good that this happened. Let me show you how we can fix this one. So where's the issue here? Issue in Tavily. Okay. Okay, so let's go to Tavily. Let's just sign in. Okay, great. After signing in, we'll just take here our API key. That's it. Where is the chapter? Go here. And just here. So what did I do now? Okay, so I went here to the one that had the problem. Okay, it showed me that heavily this one having the problem. So I just went here, and this is header authentication. I just hit this one, then I just put my API key that I moved from here. When I come to this chapter, I will tell you how we can do it. I believe it will require also the other chapter. Let's just do it really quick. Okay, this one also. And definitely, what does it do? It's searching and scraping the internet, the whole internet with the web pages, everything, and just to get an accurate information and all the information that you need about this topic. So think about it like other than like you doing all the hard work, you just put your email and put your topic and like, you know, grab a cup of coffee and that's it. You will see your ebook ready. So you can sell it for like I believe ebooks, they're selling the ebooks for $20, sometimes $100 a month. I'm not really expert in that ebooks itself, but anyways, okay, now we did it for the 5 chapters. So let's go back and let's try it again. Okay, let's just spin the data because, you know, we don't need to spend a lot of things, a lot of tokens here. So let's spin it and let's start the workflow. Okay, why I'm choosing this topic? Because I like this book actually. It changed a lot of things in me. Okay, so see now chapter 1 is doing its thing, and now let's go here. Yes, let's refresh it. Yes, now it's working, see? Okay, while it's working, let's just explain the other thing. So this is chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's explain the chapter here. Okay, so this is when executed by another workflow because, okay, we already added this. Let's just bin this one. We already added this. So other than taking all this workflow, okay, and add it here. So this will really will be a big workflow. It will be a little bit slow and a lot of things. So it's better to do it like this, just executed by another workflow. Of course, you'll find it here. Oh, sorry. Here, execute sub workflows or executed by another workflow. So you can use this one, you'll add it here, and the other one also you'll add it here. Then you have this all workflow. Well, either way, all these workflows you'll find it in templates itself. We find my Skool community. Okay, you can just download it and plug and play. Let's check this one. Oh, does not exist. Oh, okay. Let me just refresh this. Chapter 3. Let's use the 4. Let's use the 5. Okay, now it will be much better. Just let's spin this one also. Okay, now you can go. So now it will go without any issues. See, it's now working. And the main thing is it's not like, it's a little bit simple. Let me tell you why. Because actually when you do chapter 1, so chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, it's all the same. Nothing changes. Like chapter 3, it's still the same. Still the same workflow. So nothing changes. The only thing is that you will change just some few things. Like let's say, for example, we are going here to writer. Okay. So writer, when you check this, so the title, the research, the source, the style, everything, you will use that like you will use the actual thing that for this one. Like this is chapter what? Sorry, I forgot. This is which chapter? Yeah, this is chapter 3. So we will use it for the chapter 3. We will use the title, the research, the source, the style, everything for chapter 3. And it's the same for chapter 4. It's the same for chapter 1. You'll just use the topic, the source, the search only for the actual chapter itself. And this is the system message. What is the system message? So this is the whole system message. Like I said, I didn't write this by myself. Actually, I just used ChatGPT to help me to write it. But mainly it's just explaining the outputs here, the examples for the output itself, and of course it's explaining the rule, your research extractor and HTML formatter, and also it's explaining the task. So it's mainly just explaining how it will look like, because this is a writer, so you're like given an actual writer and tell him like how to write this ebook. And simply you will just give it the title, the research, the source, the style, guide, and everything. Like I said, in order to give it this, you will give it from this one. So we already have the intro. Like I said, we have 5 intros. So you'll just put the actual intro itself for the, like we have chapter 3. So you will put this one, chapter 3, in this one. Okay, it's a little bit complicated, I know. But like I said, it's just a little bit long workflow, so that's why it's required more hours. But we have here the same Tavily, we have the split out, we have the code. So Tavily, we already know what does it do. It's just scraping the internet itself for the actual information. So we got the URL from Tavily here, and also sorry. The method is both, and the authentication is generic credential type if you don't have it already. And the header is just, like I said, the authorization, and like you saw me do it, just add the token. And the same body and the JSON, also you find it in Tavily. But there is just a really quick thing. So the query, you will put the output, and the topic is general, no problem. And the search depth advanced. Like make it advanced because you are doing a researcher or an ebook, so it will be better if you did it advanced. So there are 2 things here that really matters: the chunks per source and the max results. So what's the difference? So the chunk per source, think of it like you have chapter 1 and you have like information in this chapter 1, like the intro in the chapter 1. Okay, then it will move to the next page. If you did it like 2 or 3 or 4, it depends on the number. So it depends. Maybe it will take the intro, then it will take like some of the actual search itself, then the remaining it will put it on the next page. So that's the thing. That's why I did it once. So I need everything in one page. That will be better for me. And the max result is only 3. So 3, I tried to do it 5 and 6 and all this. But the thing is that Google Sheets, see when I update here, so Google Sheets will not take this much of information. Let me show you real quick what do I mean. But there is actually a better way that you can do it. You can remove this Google Sheets, and you can add, if you are using Pinecone, Supabase, Pinecone and Supabase, there are like a vector database that you can add it. And yes, I have here, this is the researcher. See? So I have here the search topic, the title, introduction, the chapters, the sources, the value, everything. See? I have it here, the combined content. Like, I didn't even add any of this. It's just adding by itself while it's working. Why? There's another issue here. Okay. This is the AO template. Let's do it API. While I actually changed all this before, but that's a good thing that everything is happening here. Let's just spin our data, we don't need to spend much talking here. Yeah, bin all the data. Yeah, and of course bin this. I believe we just bin this one. Let's go here, put here. Okay, let's try it again. And this one, by the way, is just change all the content and combine the content and everything and change it to PDF. See, it's successful now. We will just download here the PDF. We don't need to send it to the email now, but you can just send it to the email, okay? You will send everything to your email. That's it. So let's just take a quick look. So this is how it's look like. So see, this is the title, The Richest Man in Babylon, Timeless Wealth, Wisdom from Ancient Babylon. Introduction, then the table of content, chapter 1, historical. This is what I mean by chunks, see? It's cut the page and move to the next page. So like if we did 2 or 3, it depends on the introduction, it depends on this. So yeah, so just make sure of this one. So we have the chapter 1, chapter 2, 3, it just give you the chapters and what we have in those chapters. Then it will start. Like see, we have also the links. If you click on the link, you can actually go to the link itself. So you have reference. This is actually really important. You have reference. Then you go to the overview. Then you have here images of the books. It depends on the images that it will find it in Google. Then it will first publish. This is the actual book itself. And it continues, as you can see, just to let you know how we can do it. But as you can see, we have here at least 11 pages. Of course, if we need more pages, like I show you, it's here. And we can get it from here. So this is the one. I can make it like 6, I can make it like 10. I will get more and more pages. Like if I make it 20, I will get like, what? I will get like 100 page or something. I didn't try it because it will be long, I don't need it. And it will take like much token, but let me show you. So we already finished. Let me show you the token now. So it was 1.03. Let's refresh. Let's see how much it become now. See, 1.01. So it's like it didn't even take much, you know. It's really low, like what, 2 cents or something, nothing. So that was really good, you know. So if you added more here, like I told you, if you added more, it will give you more details, more information, a lot of other things. So it's exactly the same. All the chapters are exactly the same workflow, nothing changes, and also the same everything. Even Tavily, it will be the same. The only and we have here the split out. Now let me show you. We'll go here. Copy to editor. Yes, we have here the split out. So why the split out? Because we need the URL, we need the title, we need the content, and the source and everything. So we don't need it like this. So Tavily will just like mess the information like this. So we need to like organize it. So now we have 3 items. Now we move it to the code. It's a code node in order to get the URL and numbered URL. So this is all the sources, just to let you know what are these URLs. These are the sources that we get this information from. These are the reference link that I'm talking about, this one. And this one, like this one, number 11, yeah, it's the same one that we open it here, it's number 11. See, when you press it here, so you will get the information. Okay, so this is what the code node does. And of course, I didn't write this also. You can write it by, like I write by Gemini Pro. And this is the writer. It's exactly the same that we explained before. See, we took the title, took the research, we took the source, took the style, and we added here. Excuse me. And of course, this is the one that we already explained, the system message. Now we have to aggregate this output because it will be only one output. See the output, how it will be. It will be like 3 outputs, but we need to aggregate it. So now it's an array. So this will be output like 0. It's supposed to be output 1, output 2, and 3. Okay. And this also for the other one. This is for the source. So you take the information, the style, everything, then you merge it together. So it's this one. You take the output, everything, like this is the actual contents itself. Oh no, not this one, sorry. Context. This is the context itself. Then you merge it with the actual link in order to reference the link. Okay, then we merge it, then we transfer it to HTML. Okay, so after we transfer all this data, because it's a really big data, to HTML, so see, it will be sections because we really need this section. So it will be section 1, section 2, section 3, and as you can see, like this will be like this. And you know, it's just a little bit long one, so we don't have time in this video. I don't want to make a long video on this one. So we have here the 3 sections. We will need to combine it into one. So it will be the section, and we have here the riches mine in Babylon. We have 7 cures for a lean purse. Anyways, what does it mean? And we have the wealth principles. So yeah, so we just transfer all this data. The thing is that we have big data from the merge node. That's why we just make it in HTML request. Then from the HTML request, from the combine node, it will take it, then it will combine it in this arrays. Now we have this one. This is the images. So we take it from here. And this is just normal images from Google because we use SERP API. To get the images, we get everything, but of course this is also a really big data. That's why we are doing the code node, and just we have the image URL. That's it. It's just choose the best image of them all. Then we merge it, then we send it here to our Google Sheets. Send the information to our Google Sheets. And it's exactly the same in the other workflows, exactly the same. Like I said, the only thing that it will change, be changed is in the writer itself. You will just change the split, the output, the context, just to make it 1 or 2 or 3. And also don't forget that this executed by another workflow, so it will already be triggered by this one. So just really quick here, we have the merge. So we need to merge the 5 chapters together. Then we have to limit them and make it only 1. So why we have to limit them? It's not like technically a limitation. It just choose only the first one. It will choose the first topic, the first source, the first content, everything, the first one. Then it will go send the source, send all this information to our I'm sorry, I forgot the sheets, to our Google Sheets. It will send all the information to our Google Sheets. We have here to have the content, we have the source, we have everything. The source is just the link. The content, it's the actual content itself. Okay. Now we have here the source agent. What does it do with this source agent? So we just put all the sources here. Where are the sources? We like take it and put it here. And now we have all the links that we need for the 5 sources. All the links here that we need, the reference links, everything. And here we have just a system message. You are an AI assistant specializing in general, well-formatted HTML sources section for research report. You will be given a list of sources, each with an associate number. So what does it do is it will get the actual links itself, then it will associate it with the number itself from like it got already the number from here, from the aggregate, the 2 aggregates, then the combined. So it got the numbers, so it will associate it and put it in this format. This format is this. We are talking now about the style itself, like put it between those and just put it here and put just number 1. So it's like every single detail in this one, it's already been added in this workflow. Like see also the title, it's just a little bit glowy. I also added this one to make it a little bit glowy. So you can change anything by changing the style and the format, the output itself. Then after I get the output, we send the source itself. So we send the sources also to our, our sheets here, I just work at our database. We are sending and getting. So it's work as our database. This is to get the source itself that we need to like change or merge it with the numbers. And then this is the get source that actually we did it here. We updated in sheets. So we already updated all the information that we need, just to let you know. See, source 3. And with the others also, source 4, source 5, we have the contact section. So this is update row in Sheets. So that means it's updating our Google Sheets with all the information that we got here. Then here it gets the information itself. After getting the information, just starting to like use it. So this is send sources after we did it here from our agent. Then get all content. So we will need to take all the content, chapter 1, 2, 3, the source 1, 2, 3, the content 1, 2, 3, everything, because now we have the table of contents. Let's see what does it do. So we have chapter 1 and the section, chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, and our section, and we have of course the style guide here. This is the style guide. So we have the chapter and we have the section itself. So we have 3 sections like this. We have the chapter 2, we have 4 sections, we have chapter 3, 4 sections. So this is the chapter itself and this is the section, and this is what does this agent do. Okay, now we have here the send topic. Okay, so why? Okay, let's just save it. Okay, so after we finish the table of contents, we have here the send table of contents. We have it here. We just call it TOC. Okay. Okay, so we already send it to our database again, and then after we send it, so here get all content. So when you get all content, you'll just of course choose the value. The value is the actual search topic itself. This is the value. Okay, the search topic itself. Then it will give you all the details, the source, the image, URL that it got, everything that we need. And then we need to combine all this. So we have here, see, as you can see, we have here 27 items. I don't know what does it do. 27 items. Now we need to combine all these 27 items only in one item. See, only in one item. The sources, the content, the style, everything only in one item. Then we pass this one item to our PDF generator. This is the one. Okay, let's just move from this. This is the API template.io. Okay, you can use this one in order to generate PDF. After generating the PDF, you will have the download URL. If you actually don't need to download URL, you can just take copy and paste, and you will have also the actual PDF. So you already created the PDF. Okay, you have the total pages and you have everything. If you want to download it, just do a normal HTTP request, hit get, and you just get the URL and you'll just be able to download it. And we have, of course, here our Gmail. You choose the send, you choose the data, the text, and everything, and it will send your email. So that was like really quick, I know, because we need much more explanation and how we can build it step by step. We can take it step by step. In other videos, we can like take the planning stage in some video, and we take the chapters, then we take the finalized content, because like you see, it's a really big and like a little bit complicated workflow, but you can see the results. And if you don't to build that by yourself, you can just take the actual JSON itself and just plug and play in your N10. And as you can see the results, we just get like something a little bit small here, because like I said, this is just a demo tutorial. And as you can see, we have a lot of information and we didn't do anything. We just put the email, we put the topic, and that's it. So I hope you like this video. Of course, if you need any assistance and if you need more videos, you can just always tell me in the comment down below. And if you need like to know something specific about this and more explanation, you can check my Skool community. I have more explanation in this one. You can ask me, and see you in the next one. Thank you.